Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about V2Ray. You can see definition of V2Ray, benefits of V2Ray and animation about how V2Ray works. I am going to create video series about V2Ray including usage of WebSocket, TLS and many other protocols. You can use V2Ray as best alternative of HTTP Injector. So, let's dive deep onto V2Ray. What is V2Ray? V2Ray is an open-source network tunneling and proxy tool used to bypass internet censorship, enhance privacy, and improve network speed. It works by redirecting network traffic through different protocols, allowing users to access restricted content or anonymize their online activity. Let's see what are the special things about V2Ray more than other VPN tools. Special things about V2Ray. Low resources usage. This is one of my personal reason for using V2Ray. If you have ever used HTTP Injector, you must have faced heating problem and heavy battery usage problem. But, V2Ray doesn't have any of these problems. Free and open source. This is my another personal reason for using V2Ray. There are many more other benefits like advanced traffic obfuscation and routing rules. Next let's see how V2Ray works. How V2Ray works. This is how normal internet works. Client side means your mobile phone or PC. ISP means your internet service provider. YouTube, Google and Facebook are servers. Client send requests to server and server sends responses to client. Host header in requests indicates where your requests are going. So, ISP can see where your requests are going. Now let's see what happens when using V2Ray. You can see V2Ray server is between client side and servers. Usually V2Ray server is running on VPS server. First, V2Ray client sends request to V2Ray server. It is asking for creating WebSocket connection. ISP can see this request. You can change this request as you want. You can also use protocols like TLS. Now V2Ray server sends response. It says request is accepted. After successful acknowledgement, encrypted tunnel will be created. ISP can't see what things are going through this tunnel. You can send anything through this tunnel. You can communicate with servers like YouTube, Google, Facebook using this. But ISP thinks you are communicating with VPN server. This is how V2Ray works. In future videos, I will show you how you can create WebSocket and TLS connections and custom V2Ray client requests. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe my YouTube channel.